Yes, boys.
They swept it.
Bosch 044 pump going in because
fuel pump was just. As
she's
soon as it got on boost, it just run out of fuel pressure.
Oh, fucking hell, Jerry.
what?
No wonder, cunt.
What?
Timing's retarded as fuck.
Oh, buddy!
Alright, go again.
Yeah, baby. Get fucked.
Oh, look at this. What the fuck? What's this cunt doing here? Got a little secret, boys. We're going to go have a chat to some fellas. We're going to have a look at some things. It's going to be a good fucking time. I've just finished work. It's Saturday. Saturday is for the boys, so I've come to see the boys. And that's what's going down. Reverse is real, like... Oh, that was a good one. Oh, fucking dropping him. Now what do we got going on down here, boys? Oh shit, it's a VL! Oh, oh shit. Mate. Yes, boys.
They swept it. They made a little bench so we could put our helmets and shit on.
That's fucking sick. Jesus Christ, she's a big girl. Fuck yeah. Oh, I'm in love, boys.
Right there, we'll make it work. I wanted to put it on first and just see like once it's on whether it'll actually go back.
So what's the shindig that's going on right now?
Bosch 044 pump.
Bosch 044 pump going in
Fuel
because
pump was just. As
she's...
soon as it got on boost, it just run out of fuel pressure.
Yeah. So as soon as it starts to build up boost, it starts breaking down because it doesn't have enough fuel to keep pushing up to the fucking to the amount of air that it's copping. Yeah, fucking yeah, whoop. He's off the phone. Alright, so what's going on, Jerry?
Not much.
She's boosting, but not boosting the greatest, so now...
I'm hoping it's a fuel issue.
Hopefully. Because it's got a rising rate fuel reg.
Fuel reg.
And that's not...
Stock injectors. Stock turbo injectors.
Yep.
And yeah.
And then a stock NA pump, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then so now we're thinking that NA pump is what was restricting it. It fucking makes sense, a 30-year-old pump, stock NA one. Hopefully, chucking this bad girl in will open her up again.
Fingers fucking crossed.
Fingers crossed, toes crossed.
Alright, well, give me a call.
Cross them. Fucking, yeah, bud. Jaden, the fuel's supposed to go in that new pump, not your eyeball. You're not going to make it boost. Come on. No, that would have fucking drilled, but.
Oh, it's stung like
Yeah.
Does the world look red?
Yep. Oh, fucking VL.
Oi, don't disrespect.
Oh, the amount of times I do this on the side of the fucking road on my old one.
Dead set. It's a privilege to be laying under a VL these days, mate. Come on.
Wrong.
Oi, speaking of, you want to swap?
Not leaking fuel.
Nah. It's beautiful. Just priming her up. So dirt nasty big fucking screamer. Oh, I see some writing. Lots of writing on it, but what's
plenty of writing.
the best writing on it says what?
Fuck EPA.
Right at the bottom. Fucking yeah, go defect this you can't.
Fucking oath.
If it ever gets defected for that, I want to know.
If it gets defected, I'm like
Gonna cry.
contemplating suicide.
Literally,
So demo.
legitimately, I'll contemplate it too for you.
And if it gets defected, just put it in New South Wales.
Yeah, but fuck that. I just can't. New South Wales is gay as well.
Line up that spring, boy.
Oh, you want to that card?
Oh, mate. One sec, boys. I need to go change my undies. Fuck off. That's just too fucking good. Oh. Oh. She's fucking silent. Oh.
That's what you want when you got a powerful barber.
Yeah.
Powerful.
Fuck yeah.
Mate.
38 psi on the rising rate fuel rig. Yes. Brah.
Naughty little girl. That's not dropping.
It's fucking exciting. Oh no. Later bolt canopy. Oh, listen to it. Mate.
Your pump sounds off its teeth.
It sounds sick. It's so insane how quiet it is back here and then out the front. Oh, bro, it's so sick. We are gonna go for a test spin. Yeah, fuck yeah. Yeah, fuck yeah.
Your pump sounds fucking off.
Alright.
Jump in, Matty.
She's strapped down, ready to go, and we're ready to fucking go. Oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I haven't been in a VL in years. Oi, oi, guys. Turbo.
It's legitimate now, yeah. That's actually fucking super fucking car. Fucking
Finally. Fuck, I miss that dash.
It's a good thing. This
It's-
thing's fucking immaculate, dude.
This car is fucking... I've always frothed this, Jerry.
Wish me luck.
Nations, fuck yeah.
That squeak just might be the fuel pump rubbing on the fucking bracket. Yeah. No, it's always done that. It's always done that. Felt a bit better. Didn't even really. I didn't really give it to it, but. It's cold. It's cold.
It's cool. How much fuel is in it?
It's probably low.
Oh, yeah, maybe it needs
Maybe
fuel.
I might turn the fucking fuel rag up and shit as well. Where'd you set it to? The apex, on the apex. It's definitely not a boost pump, but it's not over boosted. Might just turn, yeah, we'll turn that fuel rag up. Boost fuel.
And more than like 5 litres of fuel.
Yeah. No, it's, I've always left it just latched. Yeah.
That's just so good. You can't get over that sound.
It is a good noise. Better once he gets on the gate.
Yeah, fucking oh.
That's bad.
It's missing.
Could just speed a screamer being a big pipe.
Alright, we got fucking like half a tank of fuel. See,
Fresh fucking fuel.
fresh fuel, not.
fucking 5-month-old fuel.
Yep. We'll see how she goes now, boys.
Yeah. Well, it was pretty low. Scare these people.
I'm scared. They looked up like a laser was about to shoot him in the face or something.
It's not as bad. It's getting clearing it up, mate. It's getting better.
I reckon we need to check fuel filter.
Fuel filter, I reckon just fucking we need to take for a drive. Because you don't like those injectors, so you don't know how fucking old they've been sealed. Yeah.
How long they've been sealed.
Yeah, exactly.
It's cleared up a bit, I reckon.
Just blow the shit out of it, I reckon. Take it out on the highway and just rev it right out.
Another thing I was thinking is like, do you reckon the fucking exhaust is too restrictive?
That could be another thing.
It
Yeah.
does make a note, I can still make a note.
Yeah, it could be a possibility.
Fuck, that's fucking
As
sick.
soon as it gets on gate, it just starts missing.
Unless the gate's fucked.
Or it's like,
Or is that just
what is it? Fucking turbo shutter. When it's like dosing under.
shouldn't be that? Let's say when it starts doing it, just push through it and see whether it fucking.
Yeah, I don't want to fucking detonate the panel up.
I don't think it will. Like it's not fucking popping and banging and carrying on. If it was popping and banging and carrying on, I'd be a bit worried, but we may have to fucking advance the timing and shit a little bit too. Maybe the timing's too far advanced already. That could be another issue. It is clearing up, but we're getting better and better each time.
It doesn't want to keep going, you know that.
I reckon the timing's fucking good.
But it sounds like it doesn't want to.
Ah, it's opening. You can hear it opening.
That sounds fucking
It legit sounds insane.
Safe. Fucking choppers.
You're telling me, bruh, sit back here.
Yeah, it seems like the fucking trees are opening. Should we turn the rag up maybe?
Yeah, try that. Just feel with the fucking fuel pressure.
Yeah, well, it feels like it's cleared up.
Just
but
do
not-
half a turn at a time.
whole baby's head.
Oh, fucking hell, Jerry.
What?
No wonder, cunt.
What?
The timing's retarded as fuck. So, well, that there is your advancement. Yeah. Look how retarded it is.
Yeah, but that's me and Chris fiddle with it.
Yeah, that's retarded as fuck. It needs to be like,
You're retarded as fuck.
You have a shoot. You didn't bring a shoot, did you? Still. No, that's fucking way bad.
Because it needs to be advanced a bit.
I'll do it if you turbo it. With a turbo motor, can you move it?
That's the timing belt, by the way, guys. We're good. Just dosing up the street, mate.
Yeah, they do that, bro.
Oh, yeah, it's really a VL. It's got one of these, cunt.
My old one was fucking.
No, I'm saying it's got one of these. It's really a VL.
Yeah, really.
So, where did you just turn that up to? 45? Yeah. Where was it before? 38 on idle.
Okay, go to 35. Lower the fuel pressure a little bit. See if it's maybe got too much fuel because the timing's out.
Mm,
Timing's definitely out.
yeah,
100%.
because that's full retard.
Pretty much.
Full retard. Get it?
Full retard.
2 in 1.
Full retard.
You tried. You really tried.
It does work. Maybe not.
Oh, neat! Right up it.
It's alright, we'll go home and fucking. Oh, you got a fucking 12 minute spanner right there. Oh, could have adjusted the timing.
Mm.
Still the same, mate.
Fuck!
Got a screwdriver here so we can get back in. It's because it's like literally like full retarded. What was if you'd advance it? It's like pause. Fucking it.
Sunday VL break-ins.
Fuck that. Thought I had it.
Fist him, Jerry. Fist him.
Well, the intercooler's in the way now.
Yeah, fuck.
You might actually have to fix it.
There we go.
Yeah, you might actually have to fix it, bro. That's 45.
Oh, it's a 30!
I don't know, do you? I hope so.
Yeah.
Maybe it's too advanced, like. Maybe it's too retarded or something. Yeah, it's all in more? Yeah.
Oi, nice SS, mate.
This is one you just seen.
Yeah, I know. Please. Oh, buddy! Yes!
That was timing! Timing was out. Well, it didn't cut. Fucking actually managed to.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Yeah, baby.
It's on, boys.
I know my valve's better than this thing, bro.
As soon as I seen that, I'm like, cunt, of course.
Yeah, I know fuck all, and even I was like, oh, that looks a
Fucking
bit...
that idle button. Oh, yeah. Alright, go again.
Yeah, baby! Yeah, fucked!
Yes! Yes, guy. Yes!
fucked. Me and Chris are fucking with it for ages too, guys.
Yeah, fucking time was out, you knobs. You could probably advance it a little bit more too, I reckon.
So you reckon it's retarded as fuck?
It's advanced now. It was retarded.
Yeah, it was
Advanced.
literally, bro. It was at max retard.
Oh, was it?
Yeah,
Like,
Max retard.
it was full retard, bro. in both prospects, it was full retard.
if you want, I can fucking turn it up just a little bit more. Just see what it does. Just fucking keep fucking with the timing until it gets happy. Because you don't have a
But
timing.
it brought the idle up a bit more.
Yeah, it will.
I'd say fix the idle first.
Do you reckon there's a fucking...
It's probably the idle control valve, to be honest.
Honestly, yeah.
I'll just stop here. I'll just just crank it up just a wee little bit more.
Because it didn't conk at all. It actually felt really smooth.
That came
I can't
in.
remember where you put it too.
It came in and stayed
That's
in.
fucking near.
Fuck! Help!
Yeah! It actually got a little bit of kick up too.
She rips.
Oh, dude, get
Oi, Jerry.
Jerry.
Drive safely. Drive safely.
Thanks, Matty.
It says it on the thing. I'm just letting you know.
What a good person.
Dose it.
Surely it's start practicing out. Fucking boy, right?
Oh, dude.
There you go, fixed it.
Fucking screamers as hell to get hooked up there.
It is quiet. You're not really moving, but it is a big pipe too, so it's gonna fucking. When you think about it, it is a big pipe. So I reckon if you put a smaller pipe on it, it'd fucking sound pink.
Bro,
A little bit, yeah.
fucking-
We can just fuck with the timing.
fuck, it pulls good.
That was cool. Quite well.
It-
For a stock car.
It comes in and stays in. Like it just.
Yeah, there's like I could feel a tiny
Yeah.
bit of coughing,
Yeah.
but a fucking lot fucking better car. It's
Yeah.
probably
It actually boosts.
Yeah, it actually
Have you had the dizzy out of this car at all yet? Me did the
Oh,
timing
a couple
got
times.
a couple of times, yeah. Maybe a 1 tooth out at least.
fucking show one on the dizzy cap.
No, it's the whole dizzy.
Oh, yeah, the whole thing.
Told ya, fuel pump. Told ya, fuel pump. Fuck.
The fuel pump and timing were the two little fucking doing it.
Slight miss, but it's not bad. Yeah, baby.
Get fucked.
Yeah, it's probably all the exhaust gases dumping right there.
Yeah, it's just the underbody spray they put from factory. You're melting off.